How we doing today, people? This your boy Yankee Man back with another video. And today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Vivitar Creator Series. It's a smartphone stabilizer. Pan and tilt controls with the 3-axis stabilization. Alright. Real quick around the box. Bluetooth shutter, built-in battery, universal cradle, tripod mount. Alright. Go back there and show you what's included here. Of course, the gimbal, tripod, charging cable, fabric wrist strap, specifications, and the rest is here you can pause and read for yourself. Okay. Alright. So as you can see clearly, I've already taken out the box. Like I said before, it comes with the tripod. It's this. The smallest tripod I've seen, but very stable. Okay. Universal cradle. That's this piece here. Okay. Built-in battery. Battery's built in here. LED lights indicating the charging power or the power left on the battery. So the battery right there. And Bluetooth shutter. And that's this trigger right back here. Okay. So real quick, there's a QR code. It leads you to a tutorial using the gimbal. Alright. I didn't use it. I was kind of familiar with it. I never owned one, but I've seen quite a few over the years, so I just kind of wanted to discover how to use it on my own. Real quick, an instruction manual. I just want to show you guys. Alright. It's a mode button. It's indicated on here by M. You see that? Then you get to different modes. Lock, full mode, first person view, all follow, and half follow mode. Alright. Your modes are indicated by, well, let's turn it on. I forgot where the power button was. Oh, right in front of me. That's power button. Alright. So your mode buttons are indicated by these 4 LED. 1, 2, and 2 on this side. Okay. And that beeping is waiting for you to connect your phone via Bluetooth. Okay. Also, joystick. Let's flip it open. There we go. So this is a joystick. Allows you to move from left to right. This is after you connect your phone and download the app. Alright, on the side here you got the zoom back and forward, or zoom in and out. And the shutter button, I like that, feels like a little trigger when you're snapping pictures or starting to stop in your video. Okay. Again, I mentioned before, this is a power LED. Of course, 4 lit LED lights is fully charged. As you can see, I have 3 lit because I did use it this weekend. My son's graduation, so I'm going to add that video to kind of give you guys an idea of how it worked. Also, that video I used it with the Note 8, which shoots in 4K. But through the Vivitar app for the gimbal, it only goes to 1080p. So it still wasn't bad, but it'd been nice if it was in 4K. So keep that in mind. And it looks like that's it for the directions. Oh, of course, on the bottom where your mount will go in. Okay. Next page, show you how to load it on there. Tripod, blah blah blah. It's pretty straightforward. Power button, where I showed you that. So on your Bluetooth, when you go to look for it, it's going to be the GP7, and on the end of it have different numbers for different models. So you buy the same thing, it might have different numbers on there for, you know, the model that you choose. Well, it's not model, but they're numbered basically. All right, ready to pair. Okay, sorry about that, y'all. But like I was saying real quick, ready to pair button or light, it's just above the gimbal there. I mean the joystick, right above my thumbnail. If it's blinking, of course it's in pairing mode, but if it's solid, I mean you've already paired it. Okay. Real quick, the shutter button showed you that. The axis, tilt, roll, and pan. You actually get a 360 view, panoramic video with this thing, which is pretty cool. I use that as well. And then over here, it shows you different ways you can use it. At the graduation, I tried it in both ways, just for the purpose of this video. I prefer it horizontal, because you get a wider view, of course. All right. Not a fan of the side grip or this grip as well. That seems like it's just too much work on the wrist. All right. Okay. So I already kind of showed you guys how to set it up. When you take it out the box, it's folded. It's folded like so, like this. All right. And the tripod is simple, and like any other tripod, just screw it on. Right. That's it. Very stable tripod, but of course you're gonna have to put it on. It's a tabletop tripod because it sits so low, but it's very sturdy. And that's the wristlet mentioned in the instructions. A little small for my hand, my wrist, but it's gonna fit most people. And you just flip it up here, and you pop in your phone, like so. All right. So I'm gonna pause the video, and I'm show you the video, and you kind of get a feel for how it moves around when using the joystick. And this is footage from my son's graduation. Okay, you guys, so this is the app you're actually going to be looking for. It's called Gimbal Pro. And it's only got a 2.8 star rating, as you see at the bottom there. I didn't bother to read why the reviews so low, because the app worked for me, so I don't know. You just be the judge for yourself, but it worked. As you can see, I already have it downloaded, so we're going to open it up. And I'm using the raggedy Samsung A30 just for the demonstration. But the video that you will see me using, that you see me recording, that was with the Note 8. Okay, I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. So you turn it on, while using the app. So we're gonna find the device. Man, I might not. I might have to disconnect it. Yeah. Okay. 1 second, guys. Let me disconnect. Okay, guys. Let's throw it in the pairing mode. So you see the light is off, indicating it's not paired. I'm going to find my device, or find device, and there it is, GP7-10. Just tap there, confirm, while using the app, confirm. Oh, I can see where I got 2.8. All these damn questions. Yes. Alright. Once you get it paired, check this off. Pop it in. Alright. So let's see. Righty. Okay. Enter camera. And it's gonna take some playing around with it. Switch the mode. Okay. So you get just a feel, just the gist of it. And real smooth. Never mind Rosemont in the background. Full 360. Nice and smooth. Alright. This is real cool. Alright, so then say from here, and I want to center it. It's supposed to be a double pull on the shuttle, and it should center it. That's what it says. I don't know. Oh, there it is. And I think that depends on what mode it's in as well. So here you have options. Sorry about that, y'all can't see it. You have live tracking, follow mode, walk, sport, and sport mode. Okay. Now you will have to switch it from video to taking pictures manually. Right here. No, right here. I hope y'all can see that from my big finger. And the options will drop down from taking pictures, video to vlog. Vlog is kind of cool. You got different options for themes. Oops. There it is. You got different options for themes. And you can play with those as you go. They all have music to them, so I don't want to copyright infringement, so I'm not going to start them. Okay. And then you can switch it with selfie mode, which is showing the camera, so cracks in the camera. You have the option here to pull up your pictures. And then settings pretty straightforward. So in camera, set your quality, set it on high. Like I said, it's 1080p, so it's not gonna change a whole lot. And yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it, guys. It's pretty cool. You pull and hold the trigger and it'll snap your picture. As long as you hold it, it'll keep snapping pictures. Like I said before, you have to switch it into video mode manually. When you pull the trigger, you start recording. As you can see right there, it's recording. Pull the trigger again, start recording. Yeah, it's that simple. On the side, remember I showed you the zoom? Zoom in and out. And I demonstrated all this in the video from the graduation, so you guys get to see it firsthand with a better quality camera. Okay. Alright guys, I hope I was able to cover everything with the Vivitar Creator Series smartphone stabilizer. If I wasn't, you know, as always, I encourage you guys to ask questions, drop your comments below. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do. And turn on those notifications for future content. Appreciate you guys that are all following and keeping up with me. Just went over 300 followers, small victory, but you know, it's motivation to keep dropping videos, alright? It's Jancy, man, I'm out.